Hello, my dear students. This is Sonia Kaushik, and today we are going to start new topic of animal kingdom, that is kingdom Porifera. This is the first phylum that we are going to start in kingdom Animalia, phylum Porifera. So, why this phylum is called Porifera? Because it have pores in body, right? You can see in diagrams they have small pores in their body. These small pores are ostia that as they have spores in their body, that's why they are called sponges. इसलिए इनको sponges भी कहा जाता है. If we talk about what type of environment they are present in marine water और you can say sea water में ये मिलते हैं. बॉडी कैसी है? एसिमेट्रिक. ठीक है, एसिमेट्रिक का क्या मतलब है? नो सिमेट्री, कोई सिमेट्री प्रेजेंट नहीं. Next, if we talk about level of organization, so they are having cellular level of organization. They have water transport system. वाटर से ही जो वाटर इनकी बॉडी में एंटर करेगा, ये छोटे छोटे पोर्स जो है ऑस्टिया, इन पोर्स से ही वाटर एंटर करेगा. ठीक है, सो वाटर एंटर करेगा, फिर अंदर एक बड़ी कैविटी होगी जो ओपन होगी एक बड़े होल के साथ, एंड दैट होल is called, yeah, that pore is called osculum. Osculum. This osculum is single. This is single pore, and ostia are multiple in number. Multiple or several in number. Alright. So whatever water enters through this ostia, जो भी इस ostia से water अंदर enter करेगा, it will open into another cavity that is called spongiocele. जो cavity अंदर होगी, that cavity is called spongiocele. Spongiocele. उस cavity को क्या कहेंगे? seal. हमने किया था cavity को generally we call silo. So इनकी बॉडी में छोटे छोटे पोर्स होते हैं, so इनकी बॉडी स्पंज के जैसी होती है. दैट्स व्हाई द मेंबर्स ऑफ दिस फाइलम आर कॉल्ड स्पॉन्जेस. Small minute pores present throughout their body wall that are ostia that opens into a cavity that is spongiocele, and a single large pore that is present on the upside that is called osculum. उसको हम osculum बोलेंगे. हाँ जी, वाटर ट्रांसपोर्ट सिस्टम है, तो वाटर से ही water के साथ ही food will enter inside the cavity. And respiratory exchange, removal of waste, all that occurs with the help of water. So they have water transport system. Water transport system. Right? Chaliye. So inside the spongiocele, suppose this is the cavity that ostia opens in that cavity, spongiocele cavity. In that cavity, my dear students, special types of cells are present. These are choanocyte cells. Which cells are present inside? These are called collar cells. इनको collar cells भी बोलते हैं. And they are also called choanocyte cells. Collar cells और choanocyte cells. तो spongiocele cavity के अंदर ये ओपन होगी. डाइजेशन कैसा होगा? इंट्रासेल्युलर. डाइजेशन इंट्रासेल्युलर होगा. ठीक है, और बॉडी के अंदर जो स्केलेटन होगा दैट इज मेड अप ऑफ स्पिक्यूल्स या फिर स्पॉन्जिन फाइबर से वो स्केलेटन बना होगा. मेल फीमेल इसमें डिफरेंट नहीं है, सो सेक्सेस आर नॉट सेपरेट, इसलिए इनको हर्माफ्रोडाइट भी बोलते हैं. हर्माफ्रोडाइट का मतलब है व्हेन मेल एंड फीमेल, if male and female sex organs are present in same body, present in same body. All right, so we can say कि sperm and eggs and sperms can be produced by same individual. स्पॉन्जेस कैसे रिप्रोड्यूस करते हैं? सो दे कैन रिप्रोड्यूस एसेक्सुअली विद द हेल्प ऑफ फ्रेगमेंटेशन। फ्रेगमेंटेशन का मतलब क्या है? सपोज दिस इज अ स्पंज, अगर इसका छोटा सा पार्ट, कोई स्मॉल पार्ट वी ब्रेक आउट ऑफ द पेरेंट बॉडी, सो इट विल फॉर्म अ न्यू स्पंज, तो उससे नया स्पंज जो है बन जाएगा। ऑलराइट, so that is fragmentation. And sexually by the formation of gametes, आपको पता है gametes बनेंगे that will fertilize internally, that will fuse internally, and that is called fertilization. और development indirect होगी, indirect का मतलब है larval stage present होगी, and the larva is morphologically distinct from adult, वो adult से दिखने में different होगा, right? If we talk about examples, so example is Scion, that is Skypha, Spongilla, that is freshwater sponge. This is generally asked in NEET exam. And bath sponge, commonly bath sponge, its scientific name is Euspongia. So freshwater sponge is Spongilla and bath sponge is Euspongia. So this is all about phylum Porifera. You can see this is bath sponge, that is also called Euspongia. This is Scion and this is Spongilla. This is Spongilla. Alright. So Spongilla is also called freshwater sponge, and Skypha is also called Scion. Right. So this is all about phylum Porifera. In our next video, we will start phylum Coelenterata. Alright. So in this video, we have important line to line reading of NCERT, and in handmade written notes that we have in another video. Handmade notes के लिए that have NEET as well as NCERT concepts, that will be in different video lectures. This is specifically NCERT based video lecture. Alright. So I hope this video lecture will be beneficial for you all. Goodbye everyone.